Bueno, bueno. All right, all right. Mic check 1 2 1 2. It's your boy and Billy. What is you gonna do? Yeah, yeah. Hey, if you're in here right now on YouTube, can you please type in a 1 into the chat if everything sounds good and you see my screen? If you don't see nothing, or if it sounds kind of bad, write 2. So if it sounds good, you can see my screen, write 1. I appreciate it to make sure everything sounds Gucci. Appreciate that. Say less. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let's get started. All right, let's get it started. So I got these zones up here. I'm targeting these buy side liquidity up here. This is my drawn liquidity, right? And this green zone right here is a daily fair value gap. And this gray zone right here is a 1 hour fair value gap. So somebody just called you. Somebody named Ricky. So I'm expecting a move down, right? Move down into a key zone and then targeting these highs up here. So that's the main drawn liquidity. That's everything that I'm looking for. So right now we have 3 minutes before. Let me put it back on the charger. It's a charger right there. So yeah. So like I said, the market starting in 3 minutes. That's what I'm expecting, and we're already in of a kind of discount, right? Yes, on a bigger picture, right? We're still in a premium, but you see we got to move down already, right? Midnight open is above us. 8:30 open right here. So I want to see some bullish order flow, right? And we already got the sweep, right, on sell side, and we already got an internal sweep. So we may not need to have a sweep. Let's see what we do. I'm gonna turn the camera back on in a second. Two more minutes, maybe like a minute and 30, well, a minute and 11 seconds before market open at 9:30. And this Tuesday, we already had news. We do have news also at exactly 10:30, right? And we got red photo news at, I think it's after 10:30. So we already had the core CMI, core PMI. So those news already happened. So we should be good all the way to like 10:30. Right now, it's already holding this inverse right here on a 5. Well, this is a 15, matter of fact. We're down to a 5-minute. All right, market open right now. Go down to a 1. All right. Disrespect it. Perfect. All right. All right. Smacks the 8:30 open. Let's see how far down they want to go. This green zone right now that we're in is a daily fair value gap. Now we're in a deep discount. It's exactly what you want to see if you're bearish. I'm sorry, if you're bullish. I thought I was going to sweep these lows out, but it may do it. This would be perfect setup for a bullish breaker once we get above. So it's actually a perfect setup. $5-minute look good. We're in a deep we're in a deep discount. Just waiting on the bullish order flow. And just like yesterday, right? That gray zone up here, that new day opening gap, that would be like a maybe sell some when it gets to this limit. Because remember, when we're up underneath This new day open the gap, new week open the gap, it's bearish, right? So it should hold as resistance. But once you get back above it, you feel me? Now we can actually but depending on how it plays out when it comes to it, we'll see. But it's looking like a lovely setup for longs. And we're in a key zone right now too. So everything's kind of looking lovely. You got all these stacked highs, all these generated highs right here. Once this thing get above, once it come out of here, it'll create a change in state. It'll create a mitigation. It'll create so much things once it get up here. In fact, let me draw some of that liquidity. And we got a little fair value gap right here that got created at 9:30. It's a time where you just be patient and you just watch order flow. Don't anticipate, no second guessing. You just see what the market gives us. And then we just react. Right? Because remember, we're observers when it comes to the market. We observe and then react. Sorry, we predict, observe, and then react. Five minutes into market open, price is just kind of consolidating in the same range, which is lovely, remember, because we're bullish. And if you're bullish, you want to see a move lower to manipulate the opposing, right? So it's lovely. Got all these stacked highs right here. All right, we got a little internal sweep. Let's see, we got an SMT. Okay, let's wait. Let's see if we want to take out this low or not. Okay, this little internal sweep may be enough because we're in a deep discount. Let's see if we create a change in the state. We'll have to close above this red line to create a change in the state. Okay, right now we're still disrespecting bullish order flow. This is a 5-minute inverse that is in right now. So still respecting bearish order flow. you see how price keep hitting that 830 open? That shit like a magnet. Midnight open is way up here. So this is what we're talking. You see how it's coupled, right? Midnight open is way up here, and our buy side liquidity is way up here. Also, I could be wrong, right? And it could be wanting to go extremely much lower and not go up higher, right? So looking like we better make the change in the state, but I doubt it. So I would love to get in off the initial close like this. I would love to get in off the close of this order block right here, but I'm gonna be a little bit more patient and wait for the close above here. This is the first bullish order flow that got created. And it's coupled with a little fair value gap. So that's nice too. If it closed. That's lovely. That's lovely right there. Potentially bullish breaker. I may catch a long. We got an inverse right here. Let's see whether it comes back and retest or if it don't retest at all. That's nasty. That's nasty. You see how it closed? It just retested this order block right here. We got a nice close. Yeah, am I late on the long? Let's see what it do. Oh yeah, come on, come back, come back. Oh, that's nice. Am I too early? If I get in here, this is why I like to put my stop loss below these inverses that I never retested. But this is a breaker right here. We have a low high. This is a breaker right here. But we're still so early, right? You got so much buy side, so it's okay to forfeit the perfect entry, which would be right here. And we got the order block right here. If we close above this right here, that shit should go. Look at the breaker right here also once it gets above. Low, high, lower, low. Yo. Jump in. Up. Go up. Just press it. Cause I'm late. I'm not late, but I was being low too. Yeah, you good. Just hold it. You good. That shit should float for a little minute. And damn, hold on. I'm gonna wait for the retest of this bullish breaker right here. Just vibe. Let it vibe. Let it vibe. Let it vibe. Let it vibe. I look. Stop loss will be right below here. Just chill. I ain't even get in yet. I'm waiting for. Relax. Relax. I'm waiting for a retest of this zone. Fuck. Come on, baby. Be forgiving. Be forgiving for your boy. You have to. This is a 5 minute Buddhist breaker right here. Hey Don, 5 minute Buddhist breaker. Well, you probably already see that. Why my hand shaking? I'm nervous as fuck. They got nervous in a bit. Wait, listen. When it gets to the zone, I'm gonna tell you to get out, right? And then when it come back down, we're gonna get back in with two. You only need one, right? You're supposed to go two off the ripper. What you doing one? What the hell? I didn't see it. Thank you. I didn't see it. Thank you. What you mean, Don? Oh, I didn't see it. Thank you. Oh, okay. Okay, hold on. Wait for the retest. Remember, it may offer some resistance at this new day opening gap, but it's okay because we got a stop loss right below this change in state. Stop loss right below this order block. Stop loss below this bullish breaker. Working on my patience and shit. I would have been jumping long from way down here, but it's cool. Patience, they say patience pays. So let's see if it's gonna pay today. Come on, give your boy opportunity. And we got a bullish fair value gap, right? I mean, a bullish fair value gap right here in our zone. That's lovely. I was coming back down. Stop being a little bitch. Relax, relax. When it hit that's all right, hop out, hop out, hop out, hop out, hop out, hop out, hop out. Okay, we gotta touch a new day opening gap. Now, I'm waiting for a retest, right? Back to the same zone. Remember, me, we're gonna go two. Ready? Hold on. We're gonna go two. We got all this buy side up here. Oh my gosh. And it just left them relative right there. That's lovely. Why you trade this morning? What you mean you trade this morning? Oh, you with Don. All right, you good, you good, you good. Thought you with Dolo. I'm about to say, what the hell you doing? Hold on, hold on. I ain't even make no cheese. But my shit, this shit gonna run today though. It should. Come back down. All right, here you go. Hold on, a little bit lower. Matter of fact, we're gonna do the dumb. We're gonna do the dumb. We're gonna let it hit the zone, right? We're gonna see how it reacts off the zone, and then as it's leaving, you feel me? I say that, but then when it gets to the zone, woo, then you be ready to push that button. All right. All right, it's in the zone, it's in the zone, it's in the zone. Let's wait. Let's wait for it. Wait, 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 wait. Pressing me, pressing me. I be long, y'all guys. Why that shit say I'm down fucking $400? What the hell? You in two? Hold on to your nut sacks. Whoa. Hold on. You see in the zone. So we oh shit. If it break, remember what I said? I want to see the breakers stay in the upper half. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, stop out, stop out, stop out. Get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out, get out. Ah! So now let's break this down. I didn't do the Don. So look, yeah, that's IB. That's why they say less is more. Okay, so hold on. We're gonna get back in. Don't worry about that. Hold on. So wait, I ain't gonna lie, I can't even break the order down right now because the play is still valid. Hold on. It's coming back into this bullish inverse right here. Okay, so now let's do the dawn properly. Cool. Let's break down the dawn properly. We need a change in the state outside of the zone, right? So we got in off the touch, and as it's running away, I experienced FOMO, and I got in. Right? It was in literally a 30-second candle. It didn't even do a full minute. That's why they say you want to wait for the candlestick to close. That's why they be saying that. You want to wait for it to close. I'm down. I lost 147 on this trade right here. So you want to wait for it to close, right? And then show strength by creating the order block. So we in this reaches of this zone. Cool. One thing I love that it left these generated highs right here. These highs right here are still intact. Damn, I ain't gonna lie. This right here is a great play right here. But the problem is you can't anticipate. Just how I anticipated the first place I got burnt, even though it looked like it was an A+ setup, you can't anticipate. You got to be a little bit more patient. So now look, hit the zone. So look, see, that's the first close. Bam, that's 1 minute right there. Now look, we have a order block right here. I'm sorry, a fair value gap right here. Remember what I said? You want to see a sweep into the key zone and then disrespect the opposing fair value gap. Hold on, meet you get back on, boy. We about to go back long, boy. That boy lost money and got up out of there. Hold on, whoa, don't give up on me. Don't give up on me like that now. Hold on, whoa. We about to go back in a second. So it would be like this. Stop loss kind of like below here. Right? Targeting. Same thing. Because we're still in this key zone. You got a sweep. Now we're looking for the order block and then disrespect this bearish fair value gap. I ain't gonna lie. That's like one of the first time the bullish breaker just like got ran through like that. But it's probably because I started anticipating. The moment that shit touched, I jumped in. So now let's wait for it. Let's learn from our mistake. And that stop loss was a what? That was like 36 points. So one contract, 36 points, that's what around $70. So I was in 2 contracts. So that's why I lost 140. What happened? You lost 80 something? But you was in 2 or 1? You was in 2. Then you lost 80 something. I mean, you only lost what? Half of 80 is 40. So that means you only lost 20 points. Oh, that's not bad. You see, you would have lost much more. You know how? If you would have just never got out where I told you to get out at. That bit would have came all the way back down. And you would never took no profits. I know this one we should get in for 2 on this one. The Ripper. This one look lovely right here. Just like the first one. I'm gonna let you know. I'm waiting on this close of the change in the state and this inverse. Damn. So look, key example. Just like the first trade that I just lost, right? You see how what we said we were gonna wait, right? And then let it do the dawn. And look, we just saved some money because if we would have got in here, just like we got in up here, see what I'm saying? Oh, shit, kind of doing both. It's kind of stuck in the same range right now. But we just waiting on this last thing to happen because right here we get a change in state and we get the inverse for value gap. So we basically doing what we should have did the first time on the first trade. I saw that shit wicked. I was like, oh, FOMO. All right, that's a nice expansion right there. That's a nice expansion. Okay, is that the inverse now? Let's see if these two down close candles offer support. There we go. Wait for the close. It's 40. We got 40 seconds on this close. What time is it? And it's the 9:10. We align with the macro. I'm jumping in on this close right here. Mm, 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 mm. All right, get ready. Up. All right, we got everything we need. 3, 2. Wait, let it come down. All right, go ahead. Let it come. Okay. Pop. I want to see support right here. I want to see support right here. Yeah. Damn, you hit you already? Check your balance. Check your balance. Okay, we long. Wait, hold on. Wait for the close. Check your balance. Make sure you're above. Because right now we're volatile. So if you don't got above 120, that bid ain't gonna let you jump in. It's retesting the inverse. Let's see if it holds some support. We got that. Hey, you are you in or you not? You're not in, right? All right, hold on. Yeah, go to your balance. See where your balance at. OB's wick. Hold on. Hold on. Good thing you're not in, bit. Good thing I would. Damn, that fucking Don be helping me, dog. Thank you, Don, for that shit, boy. Shit. That nigga Don be knowing something, boy. Yeah, it's still going down. It closed and it immediately went down. That's all that. Hold on, wait for it to retest just like they did the first time. The first time it hit it and then it just broke through. That's why you want to wait for the change in the state outside of that zone. Look at the disrespect. Ooh, my gosh. And you know what's crazy? I said I was gonna get in the moment it closed, but the moment it closed, I felt, you know what? Let me just wait a little bit more, and look what's happening. Sheesh. Okay, we got a 5-minute inverse right here. Looks like it may want to sweep out some more lows. If this shit don't hold, it's probably gonna go sweep out some more of these lows, cause that bit ain't holding right now. Well, we in the macro time. What is it? 9. Okay, be perfect. It's still going like, yep, that shit still want to sweep out some more lows. Look how it left this generated high right here. Right here. Hey, where your balance at? Because if it, huh? Because if it kicked you out, yeah. I ain't seen that. Then you gotta start doing it again. Shit, that shit is dumping, boy. What time is it? 9:50. We right along with the macro. Look like the only bullish play was this play right here. This close. That shit came down. Oh shit, me, you caught like 40 points. That one trade you made like $100 off that one trade. Okay, so mind you, this green zone, remember, we're still in a daily fair value gap, right? So, and now we're in a deep ass discount. These fucking news. That shit probably didn't go because it's fucking news at 10:30 is fucking waiting on. Could be. What time is news? News at 10. What time is this red folder? High impact. And I've been trying to work it out. Good week. I come alive in the nighttime. Okay, where you go? I know niggas don't like when you lose trades. I know niggas be like, man, fuck. Niggas think you just gonna win all day. I ain't gonna lie. That's why niggas don't like this shit either because it's like, oh yeah, we got a sweep. So we got I think we got a, let me see, we got an SMT ski. What low this is? This low is at 8:30. Oh, no SMT ski. We got a nice sweep. Let's see if it come. Let's see, like I said, let's see if it comes into this bullish 1 hour fair value gap because it's still in the upper half. Because now we'll be in an extremely deep discount, right? Another thing, that's why you don't want to over leverage, and that's why you want to understand your risk to reward, right? Because all great traders are going to lose, right? But it's about the risk to reward. Like I said, if your risk is always a 1, which is the 30, remember we get 4 hour trades, 3, 4, 5 hour trades. So we can lose one. We could literally lose 3 trades in a row, right? We could literally lose 3 trades in a row, and we could just win one trade, and we can actually recover all of those losses back. That's the power of risk to reward. So that's why you got to master these 4 key components: patience, discipline, risk management, and a great A+ setup. What you said, me? Me waiting. I'm still thinking higher, but I'm saying let me see the account and make sure you good. Cause why the fuck it took you out like that? Remember last time? Oh, you had the stop loss thing on. Nah, I don't see it. I don't see nothing. I never saw nothing. Not never. I ain't never saw nothing. Oh, just, I guess end it and do it again. Cause I saw. Ah, yeah. Open. All right. I don't see nothing. Nah, it's black. Babe, can you see if I'm doing it wrong? Yeah, it's black. Okay, share. replace existing, I guess. My shit black. I don't see nothing. All right. We are about to have a bullish fair value gap. All right. No more blackness. Now do the screen share shit now. Okay. Why are you doing that? It's like I see it popped up and then it just went away. It's black now. Yeah. What the fuck? Well, you need 1500. You say you're trying to make 1500. All right, we're still in the macro 950 to 1010. Got a sweep. We're in a deep discount. We're in a daily for value gap. All right, 18 seconds. Perfect. Hmm? No, we still waiting. I'm planning to go up though, but I'm still waiting on the things to align. Because now we just created this 5 minute fair value gap right here. So until we break above this, okay, I see some images. All right. That's how much you doing that, man? What the fuck? I'm about to say you all retarded. Why would you throw that much in there? Oh, this the funded account. Oh, I'm about to say, why would you throw that much in there? Like, man, put that bitch in E-Trade, nigga. Want some other shit. Um, realize you still up though. You up $80. So you good. Now, question, you trading on the big boy or the small one though? Is it MNQ or is it just NQ? ML, yeah. Oh yeah, you good. You trading on the small one. Oh, you still up 78. You still up 78, $79. So you good. Okay, so right now we got this bearish for value gap right here. It's a 5 minute, right? So I'm not looking at nothing until we get above this. So this will be my second attempt. Once I get above here, targeting all of these highs right here. Look at these highs. These highs are so sweet. But remember what I said, you see how it smacked that new week opening gap and then rejected? As long as we're underneath that shit, it should hold as resistance. All right. Damn, I don't believe I took that first loss like that. And I told myself I was going to do the dawn, and I didn't do it. It's the FOMO, bro. When that FOMO kick in, that greed, nigga, it's going, it's going. But you know how hard it is to tell your body no. That's why people don't be disciplined in their everyday lives, bro. You're fighting yourself. You gotta tell yourself, bro. No, I'm waiting. No, 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 and be true to it. Yeah, you gotta fight, bro. This shit you gotta fight, bro. No, you like if you want to gamble, you just press whatever. Treat it like gambling. If you want to gamble, just press anyone. Like it should go down. Like, cause I'm expecting it to go down and hit this zone and then come back up and then retest it. But it could just disrespect this shit and just go up first. Like this shit could do anything, bro. That's why you gotta know you're never gonna know, but that's why you need to have a lot of shit in your arsenal. You feel me? Huh? I work today? Yeah. Today is a slow day though. Well, every day really a slow day, but yeah, I work today. Shit, go down, fucking go down right quick. Fing! Since you gambling, go down. Go short. No, fucker. I know. This prime time right here, boy. You jumped in? Nah, don't jump in, bro. Don't jump in, bro. Me, love the gamble. Hey, but you see how that first trade ran like that? That's how we use that's how our shits usually run. Like just like that, like real quick, like right to the point. And that was actually discipline for me not to jump in. You feel me? I mean, but a nigga working on being better, working on being more patient, working on being more disciplined. So I come alive in the nighttime. Come on, baby, give me some speed, man. It's already 10:10, but I got about 50 more minutes. Damn, we just had 5 niggas. Everybody done got off. Everybody get off when you lose. It's only one nigga in here. It's probably Don at. If not, Don be on his own shit. That's why I love this shit, cause this shit gonna get rid of niggas who just like say little dumb shit. That's why I love it. I love it. Get your ass out of here, nigga. I lost motherfucker. Then later on, you said nigga made some cheese. You like, damn. Yeah, bro. That's how it be. You win and you lose, G. The key is to win more than you lose, bro. That's why you see our losers be the same. It be like around the same amount, but our winners, we make way more on our winners. That's the difference. Risk to reward. Cause look, think about it. That one trade, right? You only had one contract. You made almost $100, or like $80, right? With only one. The second trade, think about it. The second trade, you had two contracts, so you was doubled up, and you only lost 80. Oh, there you go. Yo, mate. Get ready. You going up. But wait, I'm gonna let you know, man. I'm a man. All right, get ready, get ready. Hold on. Gotta wait for it to close. There's 12 more seconds left on this candle. And this trade, if you lose, you're only gonna lose 30 points. 30 points, but one contract is only what, $60. So if you got two contracts, it'll be what, that'd be 120. If you got two. We got a lot of room too. So if this shit go, this shit should go, 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 go. Yeah, but hold on. 40 more seconds. You wanna wait for it to close. Damn, I literally only got one nigga still in here. Everybody left. Fuck y'all. Fuck y'all niggas, man. Hey, L's for the day. Yeah. I love when niggas take L's though, cause that's when that mean you can't take a loss if you get hot. This game, that mean this game ain't for you. Uh, okay, we gotta close, but I'm gonna get. You can get in now, but I'm gonna get on the retest. Yeah, but I'm gonna get on. I'm gonna get in on the retest though. Oh my god, this stopped so crazy. Whoa. Mish, what the fuck? You talking to it? You out? I'm gonna let you know when to press it again though. Yeah. You want a pass account? Then you might well practice the real way, nigga. All right, wait. I go to press it again. Oh wait. You said you got your stop loss already set? If you gotta take that shit off, it ain't gonna. But why would it take you out though? Oh, because you know the points. Yeah, you gotta take that shit off because that 20 points not enough. Cause remember our stop loss be like around 30. So if you're gonna do it, you gotta put it to 30. That the money, nigga. Shit, yeah, cause 20 points not enough, G. Hmm. Are we in the retest? All right, we in the retest. All right, this is the retest right here. No, you wait. I'm just. This nigga always just saying, okay, go up and down. This is the retest of the zone. All right, hold on. But do you know how to take the stop loss off? Because that 20 points is not enough. But just put it to like 30 or something. Like 35, because you shouldn't pass 35. What happened? You t- Wait, you say you took it off? Or you put it to the 30? I say put it to like around 40 points. Because your stop loss shouldn't be no more than that. You gotta be ready because we're about to press the button again. Hold on. Yeah, bye, bye. Bye, bye, bye. Press it twice. Fuck it, man. Press it 2 times. Oh my God, that shit just ran. Damn. See everybody who got off? Y'all wildin'. Y'all wild? Okay, let me not be too. But this play should go. Look at the setup, bro. Everything is here, just like the first play. It's just this play was way more patient, and then you saw it wanted to sweep. Watch when this play get above the breaker again. Watch how this one hold. You in 2 or 1? You in 2, good. Relax. We got internals right here. This is the first breaker that we're looking at right here. I want to see speed through this high right here. But listen, you see what I meant. Well, you see what I said. No, I'm gonna get it on the retest. You see what I be saying? It be the retest. Yeah, sometimes you getting off the break, but it be the retest. So we're already 40 points up. We already made. So look at this shit, Meech. On that last trade, right? We only lost 20, 30 points. Right now on this trade, we're already up 40 points. You feel me? So you literally, I'm saying, but we're still in the trade. It's still going. If it still go the direction, it's still good. But I'm saying, this is what I mean by risk to reward. You already made if you literally just get out right here, you already made the money back that you just lost. You see what I'm saying? But we still got so much more room to go. That, that's what I mean by risk to reward. That's only if the trade go good. The trade should go good because it for me this is an A plus setup. But just because I say it's A plus setup, don't mean it is. You feel me? But in my mind, it's doing everything that it should be doing. But yeah, that's why risk to reward is important, bro. That's why you don't really want to over leverage too much. So now it looks coming back down. So now it's coming back down again. Remember, it has to come down to go up. So it's going to go through its stages. Just hopefully the bit don't stop us out. That's just the thing. Yeah. That should get real. That should get real volatile, G. You talking to the ad. Keep talking to the ad. Fucking man. Ain't going. Not hell, not. This is what I mean. Now I can hope and pray because I did everything I needed to do. I'm in the trade. Now I can hope and pray because that's all I can do right now. Ain't Babe, he said, Ellis for Lewis. We gonna take a loss. Babe, you better take another loss. You better go back to back losses. Hey, let me tell you some real game. That's what I used to say to my mentor too. Like when they be losing, I say, man, fuck that shit, man. I'm about to go the opposite. When you say you finna go up, I'm gonna go down. Cause your shit don't be working. Ah, I love this game, dog. See, I don't like this. It be like that. Nah, man. You gotta just hold on to the field, man. You gotta hold on to it. That's why you gotta stop loss in place. Before you get into a play, you already gotta commit to your stop loss. That money in your mind already gotta be gone. Yeah. You gonna go the opposite? If you get stopped out, do that. Fuck it. If, no stop loss? Boy, you're dangerous. It's cause you in two. It's only cause you in two. It just double. I told you in two, you're gonna lose what the one round 140. We almost there. You almost round 140. My stop loss is $64 because I'm only in one. Because the first one I was in two. So whenever I lose one, the next trade I gotta go down to one. That shit like about to stop me out. It's real close. Looking like I'm about to get back everything I made yesterday. Because I'm down 142 on the first trade. This trade, if I lose, it'll be $60. So that's 140 plus 60. That's two B's. That'd be everything I gave back yesterday. It's not looking good. It's holding this zone though. That's what I like though. It's holding the zone though. But that shit supposed to get up out of there by now, man. And this is my last trade of the day. So if I lose this trade, I'm done. Gotta get ready to go to work. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'm out of there. I'm gone. Get out. Get out. Get out. I'm gone. All right. 0 for 2 today. Sorry, today couldn't have been another wonderful day like yesterday. But everybody already gone. Everybody done been gone. But now somebody else came back on. So we got 2 losses today, no wins today, man. It is what it is. I still feel like it was an A+ setup. That's why I'm not mad because these are the same plays that I would catch on any given day. Right. So it's not like I'm taking anything else differently, but it's not gonna go how you want it to go every single day. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. I'll catch y'all back tomorrow, 9:15. Hey, yo, Meat, where you at? Oh, I can't.